If your steak doesn't sound like this, you're doing it wrong. So let me show you. Let's get started. I've got a little bit of olive oil here. we're gonna massage the meat. Okay, so a little bit of olive oil on each steak. I have 2 strip loin steaks here. So we're just gonna massage that. And I have, you can use, I have here spicy pepper medley, and you can use, like the Montreal steak spice, or, whatever spice you like, or just plain salt or pepper, but this is the seasoning that we're using today that I really like. And this is where you get to get your fingers dirty. You need to just like massage it into the meat a little bit, okay? Meat likes this, okay? So we're gonna let that sit for a few minutes. I do have the pan heating up, but before we do that, I'm just gonna wash my hands, and I've got a cut up sweet potato here, cut in about 1/2-inch rounds, and we're just gonna throw that into the toaster oven. Move this out of the way. And I've thin sliced some butter, just because I'm putting it in the toaster oven, and I'm gonna cook it at about 420 degrees, and I want the butter to brown. It's just gonna infuse the sweet potato with like tremendous flavor. So I just want a little pad underneath each piece, and a little pad on top. Okay, into the toaster oven we go. So, the rest of the ingredients we're going to be using as we finish the steak. So that's going to be a clove of garlic sliced up, rosemary, a sprig, and a little bit of butter. So we're going to take this over to the back side. Okay folks, here we are at the back here. I'm going to drop a little bit of vegetable oil into the frying pan here. And I want a bit of butter to get that flavor going. That's what you want to hear. Now this is my turn. Oh, those look so good. That's a restaurant steak. And we're going to give it a bath. Okay, we've been letting this rest for a few minutes here on the stovetop. We're going to take it over to the other side so we can start plating our dinner. And this is how you treat a steak right. Tender, bold, and unforgettable. Just how I like my men. Until next time, stay saucy and keep a glass of wine ready. Cheers. I'm going to cut up the steak now. Oh my. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, we need to scoop. I need a spoon so we can scoop some of that stuff on top. Oh, all that goodness. You know what? Who are we kidding? We know that you're going to want a whole steak. There we go. I just wanted to show you the inside. And don't forget to subscribe and click like. Until next time. Cheers.